In today's episode, we're going to mount these lights from KC, and it says on the box that it's an easy installation. So this just means I'm going to try not to burn my truck down.
Subscribe now.
So let's take a look at what's in the box. We've got 2 LED lights, and we have some brackets, which I'm going to use this to mount to my roof rack, and the wiring harness with the switches. We're going to run this into the back of my truck where I'm sleeping so I can turn the lights on and off if I need to see what's going on outside. And some more mounting hardware. Let's get this stuff installed. After a quick read of these instructions, it was plain to see that this was going to be a custom job. We needed a drill, a 3/4 inch drill bit, silicone, hose clamp, and some sockets. So let's talk about the hose clamps. I know you're probably wondering, why in the world would you use hose clamps in a light installation? Well, we use the hose clamps to hold the tab of the light underneath the roof rack so I can fit my ARB awning on top of the roof rack and my Yakima road shower on top of the roof rack. Otherwise, if we mounted them on top of the rack, it would get in the way of my accessories. So let's talk about the drill. We drilled holes in top of the topper to run the light cable through the top. So we used a 3/4 drill bit to make the hole big enough to actually put the whole clip inside the topper. And then we put silicone on top of it, hoping that it would slow people down when trying to steal the lights. Because if we had the clips outside, all they'd have to do is just unclip it, unbolt it from the rack, and then they could run off with my lights. So hopefully this will at least slow people down from stealing my lights. So once we got both of the holes drilled in the top of the topper, we ran the wires over to a cabinet that I have in the back of the truck, drilled a hole, mounted the button on the back side of that cabinet, so when I flip my topper open, I can get to the button super quick. And then I bought a spare battery to wire the lights up with, so we connected it to the battery and then the lights worked. It was a super easy installation. There's the switch. There's the battery. Turned out pretty good. I gotta say thanks to my dad for doing most of the work. He's a pretty handy dude. Easy installation. So, now we talk money. This is the fun part. I think it cost like $236, $237 for the total build. We had lights, a paddle bit, hose clamps, silicone, cable clamps, all in all, like, not a lot of hardcore stuff to get this job done, and it's pretty inexpensive. Well, that pretty much wraps this video up. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I gotta give a big thanks to my dad